Y'all, today is the absolute rainiest day ever. I woke up this morning and it looked like straight up, I don't even know, 9:30 at night. Like, it was so dark. It's been thundering all day and raining all day, but we're not gonna let this storm keep us from being productive. The plan is to pack orders and pack new stickers to take to the Maker Merchant in LaGrange. So let's do that. I've gotten all of the orders packed up, but it's pouring, so I don't really want to go to the post office just yet. Thinking. We're gonna try to crank out some stuff before lunch.